we have here update on mainnet migration and account verification. Okay, on this paragraph, we can see here good news. Migration have now resumed and will gradually expand as more email-based 2FAs and system level checks complete. So what I did here is to check the Pi browser. Okay, so if we're going to click on the menu icon from our Pi wallet, we can click on Pi browser, and then we just need to sign into our Pi browser. Make sure that you have also installed the Pi browser separately from the Google Play Store so that you can switch between your actual Pi wallet and the Pi browser. Okay, so what we're going to do is to click on blockchain. Okay, we will be redirected to the Pi block explorer where we can see the mainnet metrics. Okay, so for this one, what I'm trying to point out is that with that latest update from the Pi network, Pi core team, we can see here the latest operations going on within the Pi blockchain or the Pi ecosystem. Okay, we have here accounts and then the operation and time. So we can see here, for example, the second one, operation claimable balance, 48 seconds ago. Okay, so we also have here some users maximizing the use case of Pi for payments. Okay, pay. Another one, operation claimable balance, 1 minute ago. Payment, and then another one for operation claimable balance a minute ago. So we can see here that real time, what's really been posted on the Pi homepage or the Pi website on our Pi wallet, the Pi network or the Pi core team is really taking action real time. Okay, you can explore the videos and playlists we have here on our channel. Okay, so for example, you're going to click on the playlist. I have here one video wherein it discusses two-factor authentication or 2FA. Okay, I would like to reiterate that all the information on our YouTube channel, Crypto Bayanihan Web3 Wallets, are published in good faith and for information purpose only, and does not correspond to any financial advice. Okay, remember to comment your thoughts regarding the Pi network, or if you have any questions, feel free to post it in the comment section, and let's continue our conversation from there. Thank you so much.
On a promise of gold, they said just one shot, be rich, be bold. But the walls closed in, the air got thin. A losing bet, I was trapped within. They smiled, they swore trust the plan, but every friend was a sleight of hand. Knives behind